During the persecution by King Herod, many families were forced to flee and seek shelter in Egypt. Among those families were Mary and her baby Jesus, and the foster father Joseph. They were forced by necessity to remain in Egypt for 7 years. When King Herod died, they returned to their hometown Nazareth. Many times in our lives, we too may feel that we are being persecuted, not by a deranged person like King Herod, but by other circumstances, perhaps serious illness, perhaps within the family, the workplace, by so-called friends, even by government. It can be a very difficult suffering, and it feels that you are all alone in your suffering, but that is not so. Jesus Christ knows how you feel. Jesus Christ is God Himself. He created you. He loves you. It does not matter which religion you belong to. He wants you to start talking to Him. So be yourself and speak your mind to Him. Jesus Christ wants you to be yourself. He will listen to every word you say, and He will help you. He died on the cross for every person. You are important and precious to Him. Words cannot describe how much He loves you. Begin your relationship with Him. Remember that it does not matter which religion you belong to. It does not matter if you don't know any religion. Jesus Christ created you. He loves you and He will help you. You can also speak to His mother Mary, the Virgin Mary. She is truly your heavenly mother. She loves you with the same love as her Son loves you. So be yourself and talk to them. Jesus wants you to be yourself. You can complain and be angry. He loves you. His love for you is for all eternity. He will listen to everything you say, and He will help you. Begin your relationship with Jesus and Mary, and you will discover the wonders of His powers. Your life will change into happiness, and you will also have eternal happiness with Him. Eternal happiness with God in heaven. God bless you.